Advent of Cyber 2025 is now here. In this video, we're going to go through all there is to know about Advent of Cyber and the prep track challenges. So it has just started. There are over 150,000 in prizes to win. We're going through. Advent Cyber is a beginner-friendly way to get into cybersecurity. As before, 150,000 worth of prizes, a certificate you can earn. In Advent of Cyber 2025, there'll be a bunch of challenges which cover a variety of areas within cybersecurity, which you can learn more there. And if we scroll to the bottom, we have the Advent of Cyber prep track. We will go to this and we'll get started in going through what's in here. So here's a list of the potential prizes that could be won. You'll get a certificate at the end once you've completed all the challenges. So how to use Try Hack Me. Each challenge will have a screen like this, which tells you what is required to actually complete the challenge. So in this example, there isn't an attack box that's needed, but you do need to start a virtual machine. There is a split screen capability available, so you can load within the page. No direct links are needed. And if you want to directly connect to the VM via RDP or SSH, there are credentials to do so. So when you're on the challenge, there's a start attack box button there, which you would click to load up the attack box. And this attack box is your own personal environment that you can use. If you don't have the subscription, you can use it for 1 hour a day, but if you're subscribed, you can use it an unlimited amount. If the challenge has a virtual machine, there'll be a page like this and a start machine button there. When you click it, it will load up the virtual machine, and once its status is on, you can see the target IP address. It is up and available, and you can perform challenges on it. If split screen is available, there'll be a show split view button here. Click it and it will bring up a split screen on the side of your page. And then if there's a direct link available, you'll see something like this URL where lab web URL is replaced with the IP address of machine, and then you can directly use that. Bunch of different community links for Try Hack Me if you want to join. Skip that. So let's get warmed up. The snow has started falling in Wareville, home of the best festival company. The team is preparing for Sockmas, the annual cyber celebration. Something's not right. Systems are glitching, passwords are failing. McSkitty suspects something is afoot. His name keeps coming up. King Malhair. What could it mean? Before joining the Sockmas response team, you can complete 10 short missions to ensure you're ready. Each one teaches an essential cybersecurity skill and covers clues to help you get ready for Advent of Cyber 2025. So to start each challenge, click the View Site button in the top right corner of the page. You'll need to press this button again for every new task, as one each loads on each challenge. So we'll go to that. Start off with the first challenge, Password Pandemonium, View Site. As you log into your new TBFC workstation, an alert pops up. Big password detected on 73 TBFC accounts. Even McSkitty's account has been flagged. Before gaining full access, you need to prove your password prowess. Strong passwords are one of the simplest yet most effective defenses against cyber attacks. So our objective is to create a password that passes all system checks and isn't found in the leaked password list. So let's go update password. Our requirements is that the password must be at least 12 characters, include uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols, and it mustn't be a common password that's already detected in the breach database. So for this, we can pretty much type anything in as long as we meet all the criteria. So obviously you wouldn't do this for your own password. For the sake of this challenge, you can type anything in. We submit. Now I've got this flag right here. And what we do is we click copy and then we paste it down here and check. And that was correct. So what we'll do now is close Password Pandemonium by doing exit split screen view. And then we'll load up the second challenge and do View Site for that. A shiny USB labeled Sockmas Party playlist appears on your desk. Inside is a mysterious file called chocolate.exe. Looks festive, but who sent it? In this challenge, you'll scan the file using a simulated virus total tool to decide whether it's safe or malicious. Checking suspicious files is a crucial skill for every defender. So we've got our virus total here, chocolate.exe, and we'll click scan to scan it. So after reviewing this, there was one vendor which detected malware Trojan. It's detected it as a Trojan, but then 49 have determined it to be clean. Even though it's only 1 out of 50 that's detected it, best to be safe than sorry. So we'll say it is malicious. And that was correct. Caught the first whiff of Malhair's mischief. So we grab the flag, place it here, and check. So we'll now go on to challenge 3. Welcome to the attack box. View Site. You step into TBFC's attack box, a secure virtual environment built for training. The system hums quietly, waiting for your first command. This is where defenders learn, break, and rebuild safely. Getting comfortable with the command line is your first step towards cyber mastery. So inside of here, we'll do ls to list all the files. See there's challenges there. We'll cd into challenges. Do ls again to see what's inside of here. We see there's welcome.txt. To read a text file, we do cat and then welcome.txt, and we've now got that flag. So we'll copy that and check it. Go to challenge 4, do view site, CMD conundrum. Skitty's workstation shows signs of tampering, suspicious files moved, logs wiped, and a strange folder named mystery data. It's time to use Windows command prompt to uncover what's hidden. So inside of here, we'll do dir, which is the command line equivalent of ls, which we just did in the previous one. You see mystery data, we'll do dir /a to reveal everything including hidden files. Then if we do type hidden flag.txt, type is the equivalent to cat in command line. System cannot find the file. Maybe we needed to enter into mystery data. Just dir /a again. Alright, it's readme.txt, so type readme.txt. I'm typing in everything wrong. Type readme.txt. Okay, it's saying that in the readme.txt. Okay, there we go. CD into mystery data. Must have typed it wrong before. And also dir/a. Now we see the hidden flag. There we go. So type hidden flag.txt. There we go. Now we've got the flag for that. Copy and paste it in there. Challenge 5, which is Linux lore. TBFC's delivery drones are glitching, dropping eggs instead of presents. Skitty's last login came from a Linux server. Something in his account might explain why. Linux powers most servers worldwide, and knowing how to search within it is a must for any defender. So we will change directory into McSkitty's user folder. Do ls-la to list all files within there. And there is a secret message, so cat.secret_message. Hidden messages, secret files. Skitty sure knew his way around the links. We've got that flag, copy it and paste it, and onto challenge 6. Leak in the list. Rumors swirl that TBFC's data has been leaked. Emails are bouncing and the staff are panicking. Skitty suspects his account might have been part of a breach. Defenders often use tools like Have-A-Been-Pwned to check for compromised accounts. Early detection can stop an attack from spreading. So we will check to see if McSkitty's account has been pwned. Do mcskitty@tbfc.com. We'll check it, and it has apparently been compromised because of hopsec.io. We select that, and there's the flag. Challenge 7, which is Wi-Fi woes in Wareville. The TBFC drones are looping endlessly over Wareville Square. Someone logged into the company router using default credentials. Securing Wi-Fi is critical. Default passwords like leaving the front gate wide open. So on this login for the router, we're going to try the default credentials of admin, and we're going to set a new strong password. And for this one, we actually need to do a passwords match. So we need to do something which has all the criteria met. So at least 12 characters, and then upper, lower, number, symbol. So for this one, I'm just going to do ABCD, then capital ABCD, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then symbols, exclamation at $, and we'll do the same thing. So although that isn't a secure password, for the sake of this challenge, it's good enough to meet the criteria. So we will save that, and we'll copy the flag and paste it in. Challenge 8, the app trap. Skitty's social account has gone rogue, posting strange messages about Eastermas. A suspicious third-party app may be behind it. Learning to review and manage app permissions helps stop data leaks before they start. So we need to find and remove the malicious connected app. So we review the list of connected apps. See ELF, the weather app has location network notification, which is fine. Gift tracking, contacts, storage, network access, seems to be fine. Then Eastman's scheduler, which is a calendar app, has the password vault. So that does not make sense for it to have. So we revoke that. And we've now got the flag for it. Copy that and paste it in. Challenge 9, the chatbot confession. TBFC's AI assistant Festive Bot was meant to help write cheerful emails. It's been spilling secrets. Some messages reveal internal URLs and even passwords. AI tools can be powerful, but defenders must know how to prevent them from oversharing. Identify which chatbot messages contain sensitive information. So we'll look at here. So this one looks like it's internal URL, which is not good. This one is sharing a password, and this one's sharing a service token. It appears to be those 3 which are wrong, and that was correct. So we've got the flag, and we'll submit that. And the final challenge, Bunny's browser trail. Socmas web servers are showing heavy traffic, but one log entry stands out. User agent BunnyOS HopSecBot. Someone or something has infiltrated the system. User agent strings help defenders spot automated or suspicious visitors in network logs. Find the unusual user agent in the HTTP log. So if we go through, there's Mozilla, and there's this one which is the BunnyOS. They're All the other ones appear to be fine, except this one. So we'll submit that. And that was correct, so we've got the flag. Check that. That was the last challenge, so we will take a look at this final one, the finish line. Consider yourself warmed up. Well done for making your way through Advent of Cyber 2025's prep track. These mini challenges have been designed to familiarize yourself with some of the key tricks and tools you'll need at your disposal to help save Socmas in this year's event. If you're looking to start your cyber security journey, there's no better place to do it than with us. We take you on a tour of topics from Linux CLI to prompt injection, getting you up to speed with the world of cyber and all, while earning chances to win some of our amazing prizes. So that is that done. And that is the Advent of Cyber 2025 prep track completed. Next, we'll go on to day one's challenge. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure to like and subscribe.